Hi everyone, I just got an order from overseas and I thought I would show you. It's the website that I'll put in the link in the bio in the description, which is called Pleta, 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 I think. Anyway, it's from Europe and they do beautiful yarns. So let's get into ripping this open, shall we? Hold on one second. There we go, I've opened it and now we get to see it together. I'm going to pour them all out. And I can just, oh yeah. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Oh. Oh wow, look at that. Can you see it? It's glittery black and purple. So I think I bought two of these. These are the Candy Opal by Stenley. Candy Opal. And it's all in a different language. But there we go. Soft cotton and lyrics. I do like me natural flavor. So I've got two of them to make something because they're not the biggest of cakes. Like they're not got, hang on, let's see how many. It's quite a fine, this is 2 weight. And hold on one second, I'll take this one out of its bag. And that's who it's from, Pleta, Bulgaria. So, oh, 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 oh. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. And there it is in daylight. Because we're having one of the rare occurrences of a sunny day here in Britain. And it's got its little keeper pull key, easy pull tab. But they do it in a little wooden one. And, for cotton, it does actually feel really soft. It is a lot packed into this pack, but I just can't believe how beautiful it is. Okay, next one. Okay, so the next one I ordered was also Stanley. I mean, they're all Stanleys, this one. But this is a 100%, 90% cotton and 10% lyrics. And it is the Cotton Star Cakes. And you can't see out of there very well. So I'm going to take it out of the packet. Hold on. There it is. Oh my god, look at that. I'm in daylight. That is insane how glittery it is. And this is a red to a pink, like a fuchsia pink. Just fell in love with it when I saw it on Bag a Day. Just fell in love and had to get it. Again, it's got the little keepery thing there. Easy start pull. I believe it's used as a bead as well to keep the yarn pieces together. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. You can tell I'm in a bit of a glittery phase because I'm not in the best places. So glitter, happy, happy glitter joy. Happy, happy glitter joy. Okay, I have one last ball. Hold on a second. And the last one is a cotton cake. So it's like the Cotton Star Cake. It's in the same sort of cone shape almost. It's very fine, as you can see. It's very fine. But anyway, it does that. There it is in the sunlight. It's blues. Just these gorgeous, gorgeous blues. And there's no glitter, but I could put a lyrics thread with it if I wanted to make it glittery. I just wanted to, excuse my cat scratching at the door. If you heard that. It's beautiful. And the cotton feels really nice. Oh, focus. There we go. So it's 4 strands. That's threads and strands mixed together. Whole new word, thrands. Yeah. There it is there. That's the end of it. So it doesn't have a keeper from the look of it. but that's okay. And it's actually really squishy. So it's pure cotton. The lyrics must give the yarn more bulk than just the cotton on its own. Hold on 1 second. Quick flash the cat. Nixie. Hey. It doesn't want to focus on her. She's too black for it to focus. There she is, beautiful thing. Anyway, that's what I got from this order. It took about, I think, 2 weeks maybe. When did I order? As of filming today, okay, I ordered it on the 18th and I received it today on the 26th. So, and that was in the basic second-hand class, sort of the cheapest packet shipping there was. So I still think that's actually a really good speed. I love the candy opal. That's just mad. I'm going to make a shawl out of that one, I think. But what do you think I should make out of the other two? As I only have one of those, but I do have two of them. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should make with them. And yeah, check out their website, which is there. They do have other yarns, but Stanley is pretty amazing for their cakes. And if you want to see an even better video than mine with more enthusiasm, because I am very enthusiastic, but I've just woken up, because the shipping just got delivered through DHL, so I immediately wanted to open it up. But go check out Bag a Day. I'll link her channel below as well. She's very, very good, and she's really awesome, and she has amazing content. Anyway, there we go. Thank you all for watching. I hope I wasn't too quiet for you all, but anyway, there you go. Love you all. What is it? Love, yeah, love you all. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.